Hi guys, so we're going to be with my bird Bumble and she's going to be doing some flying, hopefully. So let's see if she can show any flying skills. Can you show any flying skills? Yes or no? Hello? You awake today? Look. She's probably just gonna start playing around on the cage. As I said in the last video, you need a really decent sized cage, but this is a very small cage, so I need to get a new cage first soon. That's what I'm gonna buy. So I think she likes a cage, and but I think she needs a bigger cage because she needs practice with her flying. Don't you, Bumble? So we rehomed these budgies, and we got them last Christmas. So and they are very well behaved. They're like an alarm clock. When you wake up, they're like the first thing that wakes you up. I'd say that female budgies are louder than the male budgies. I've been told that. So it's actually true though, because she's the first one that starts talking in the morning in a really loud voice. It's not that useful. I usually, when I get up to get ready for school, I found that she doesn't help because she just wakes up my parents as well, and then that gets them to get up and then get us up. Well, she doesn't wake my parents up because they get up way earlier. But yeah. Oh, done a bit of flying. Okay, I think she's had enough of us doing this, interrupting her flight. So say bye, Bumble. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh yeah, where are you going? Say bye.